Hi. So today I thought I will hop on and show you an unboxing of my ER order for the month. So first of all, I got Ningxia Red. Ningxia comes in a little sachet, and they are absolutely, let me show you. They come in these little sachets, and the nutrients from all these berries and fruits in here is equal to 5 kilograms of fruit. So they are so powerful. I actually drink a little bit of water with my Ningxia, and then I put either lemon, grapefruit, or orange drops in them, and it's absolutely yummy. So you can have it in the morning, first thing in the morning, or you can have it at 3 o'clock in the afternoon when you start getting your slump. So I prefer mine in the morning, but I also sometimes have in the afternoon. So if you get the Young Living, the Ningxia starter pack, then you actually get a lemon and a peppermint and a lavender for free included. So it costs you 200 Rand extra, and you get 3 little oils. Then I topped up on my household cleaner, my Thieves household cleaner, which is amazing to mix all your household cleaning products with. So it's non-toxic, totally plant-based. I actually use it in my studio and at home. And then my toothpaste ran out. I've actually got the whitening toothpaste this month because it was out of stock last month. Then I've got my CBD. So I like the cinnamon. The CBD comes in mint, cinnamon, as well as citrus, so you can choose your flavor. The CBD has been a game changer for me. It actually works with the cannabinoids in your body, and it has helped it helps each person differently. This has helped me with the inflammation in my lower back. So then we got 3 new oils in the store last month. I've been waiting for the first of the month to place my order. Yes, I placed my order yesterday morning and it has already arrived, super quick. So oregano, I actually made notes because oregano, I've never used it, new product for me. So it's got anti-aging properties, it's antiviral, it's an immune stimulant, and it's good for respiratory infections. So that's oregano. Then rosemary is another new one that's just come into South Africa. It's found in our Thieves products and the Thieves oil. It protects your liver, it helps with infections, and it's even good for memory and for hair loss. So yep, that's a good one to have. Aroma Ease is muscle relaxing. It's good for circulation and as well as headaches. So yeah, that's an awesome one, especially for people that are exercising. And then the other new one is the cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark, it's good for your health, for your heart health, your digestion, and yeah, it's also a biblical oil. So it was mentioned a lot of times in the Bible, and it's considered as a very precious oil. So that's the cinnamon bark. Then I've just topped up on my regulars that I need, purification. So I buy purification quite a lot because I bought the 15 ml because this purifies your air. So I put it in my diffuser. It also is very good for when you have odors that you want to get rid of, or even for your laundry. So I also put it in the toilet bowl cleaner for my toilet bowl. So purification is exactly what the name says. Myrrh. Myrrh is also a precious oil. It's also a biblical oil. And I use it for my beauty serum. So it's very good for your skin. It's very good for wrinkles and all of those things us ladies want. Then I got another little bottle of Valor. So Valor is excellent for, you can use it as a perfume. I do. It's in my perfume blend, but it's very good for self-confidence and self-esteem and for courage. So if you have a tough day in front of you or meetings or whatever, and you can put Valor on. So all of these are actually qualified for the 300 PV freebies. So with Essential Rewards, you don't only get points back for everything you buy that you can use again. I've actually have redeemed some of my points. But this month, peppermint, so all of these here are what I got free with my order. So peppermint I use almost daily. We put it in our diffuser at night for sinus problems. It's also very good for your digestive system. Digize is exactly what it says. It's fabulous. I drink this in a capsule every morning with my lemon. So here's the lemon. I drink these two in a little capsule every morning. So that helps you with gut health, as well as the Ningxia is also excellent for gut health. Gut health, it kills parasites, and it just super awesome for you. And if you've overindulged, it's excellent to have. Orange. So orange is one of the oils I like to put in my my Ningxia Red. So I'm so glad I got a bottle of that for free. Then joy. Joy, every woman should have joy. Well, men as well, I suppose. But us as women, I like to put this over my heart every morning and say an affirmation with that. And then I got a big bottle of Indoflix. Oh my goodness. So this is for your, to balance out all our female hormones. You know, as ladies, we need extra balance in our lives. So yeah, I thought I'd pop in quickly and show you what my Essential Rewards order was. This is actually the Essential Rewards order. I actually placed two because I have two accounts, so I get double the bonuses. So next week or the week after, when I get my next order, I shall share that with you as well. Bye.